Hello friends, how are you doing today? Do you love geography? Today we will learn about 10 Asian countries, about their flags, capitals, nationalities, languages, and also you can see their territories on the map. Let's get started. Hello learners. Asia is the largest continent. Asia covers an area of 44,579,000 square kilometers. There are 51 countries in Asia. Russia is the largest country in Asia. Capital is Moscow. Nationality is Russian. Language is Russian. China. Origin, nationality Chinese, language Chinese. The third largest country in Asia is India. The capital of India is New Delhi. Nationality Indian. The official language is Indian. Kazakhstan. I am from Kazakhstan. Capital of Kazakhstan is Nur-Sultan. So I live in Nur-Sultan. I am Kazakh. I speak Kazakh. Nur-Sultan is a beautiful city. Saudi Arabia. The capital is Riyadh. Nationality Arab. So they speak Arabic. So the sixth country is Iran. Capital Tehran. Nationality Iranian. Language Persian. Mongolia. Capital is Ulaanbaatar. Nationality Mongolian. People speak Mongolian. It is the capital of Mongolia. Eighth largest country is Indonesia. Here you see the territory of Indonesia. Capital is Jakarta. Nationality Indonesian. Language Indonesian. Pakistan. Pakistan borders India in the east, Afghanistan and Iran in the west, and China in the northeast. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Nationality Pakistanis. The official language of Pakistan is Urdu and English. And the 10th largest country in Asia is Turkey. The capital of Turkey is Ankara. Nationality Turkish. The official language is Turkish. Today you have learned 10 Asian countries from largest to smallest. Russia is the largest country in Asia. Second is China. Third, India. Fourth, Kazakhstan. Fifth, Saudi Arabia. Sixth, Iran. Seventh, Mongolia. Eighth, Indonesia. Ninth, Pakistan. 10th, Turkey. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. See you.